My name is Ashok Rathod and I am a founder and director of Oscar India Foundation. Oscar India stand for Organization for Social Change, Awareness and Responsibility. It's a non-profit organization which provides very high level football training to underprivileged kids in India, boys and girls. Oscar India is not teaching only football to underprivileged kids, but also we help them to understand importance of education.
Second program.
Under the Oscar program, we have three different programs. First is education programs. In education programs, those kids don't have a good basic education. We help them, we improve their basic educations. We teach them maths, English, Hindi, and also we help youth, those who are dropouts schools in very early age. So we help them, we enroll them in schools, night schools and different NGOs, so they can complete their educations. Oh, and we have a sports program, so we teach twice a week to children, and in a sports program we have a different age group. So 7 to 10 years, 11 to 12 years, 13 to 15 years, 15 to 19 years, and 22 till 22 we have a different age groups. Also we have a young leader program, so we identify youths from tribal village and from slums, and those who have a potential, they can run sports for development program in their own community. So we provide them 5 days training, so they become a community youth leader, and through sports they can address their own issues. So these are three programs we have under the Oscar. Oscar vision is we want to enable youth to become a role model for their own society. How we will achieve this vision? Through our mission. So with the mission, we want to teach them positive values. So values, and so they become an active citizen. Our Oscar have a long-term plan and short-term plan. So in short-term plans, we want to start revenue program, academy. We want to start academy, and this academy we want to start revenue generate program. So where Oscar will be sustainable, and we want to give the chance to youth from the underprivileged youths, so they will get a job opportunity in this academy. In a long term, we want to reach out for 25,000 children across India, and we want to train 1,000 youths in different states of India. So this is the future plan. Thank you so much.